Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, this video is another ukay-ukay haul. And hindi dapat ukay-ukay haul tong video na to. Pero bago ang lahat, kung nagtataka kayo sino ako at ano tong channel na to, hello, ako po si Loren at sa channel na to, mahilig kami sa tipid fashion. Kaya marami kayong makikitang ukay-ukay haul dito. This is my second time filming this kasi for some reason gusto magloko ng phone ko and hindi na-record yung audio. So guys, nung November, I went to Baguio for work and actually hindi ko na naisip gawin tong haul na to kasi ang liit lang niya. But since I thought why not, I can still make one. Ipapakita ko na lang sa inyo yung mga nabili ko sa night market sa Baguio, which is a market obviously na bukas sa gabi, nagtatayo sila ng tents and nagbebenta sila ng mga damit na sobrang bagsak presyo guys. As in 10 pesos, 50, ganon. So, ipapakita ko sa inyo yung 4 na jacket na nabili ko doon sa Baguio. The first item na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys is this super fluffy jacket. Ito yung una kong nakita dun sa night market. And as soon as nakita ko siya, nakita ko 50 pesos yung booth. Diretso na ako naglakad. Naiwan ko na lahat ng mga kasama ko. This is only 50 pesos guys and it is a super fluffy teddy bear jacket. As in guys, I don't think you understand how fluffy this is. Para siyang yung usong teddy bear coats ngayon. And it is just gray. Medyo mahaba siya and hindi siya kasing bulky tingnan as yung mga uson na teddy bear jackets. Pero the fact na 50 pesos siya and nakita ko siya sa night market, feeling ko score na siya. Aside from the fact na ang fluffy and ang lambot-lambot niya sa labas, yung loob is silk lining. Tuwan-tuwa ako sa jacket na to guys, as in feeling ko it's something I would find in maybe in H&M or Forever 21. Pero nahanap ko lang siya for 50 pesos sa night market. Next item na ipapakita ko sa inyo guys is probably my favorite one. It is this Windbreaker Jacket na super cool. Tingnan nyo naman! This Windbreaker Jacket from Yamaha. Yamaha is a motorcycle brand and if I'm not mistaken, meron din silang mga pianos and stuff like that. Nakikita ko dati. It's so cool na Yamaha siya kasi legit motorcycle jacket siya guys. Windbreaker siya, so manipis lang siya. Pero ang cool niya, it is this parang royal blue color. Tapos, ang cool sa likod, meron siyang mustard, bright orange, and parang emerald green ba to? O bright green siya sa camera na parang detail work. Ang cool, and then ang dami niya rin guys, patches na parang puro syempre motor, car, or racing related. Natutuwa ko dito kasi dahil nga windbreaker siya and manipis siya, hindi kailangan maging sobrang lamig para suotin ko siya. And then, aside from that, meron din siyang pockets na malaki and may zip. So, pwede yung phone on one side, pera on the other. Solve na ako. Di ko na kailangan magdala ng bag. I think this was around 75 or 100 pesos. Pero I could not let go of this jacket kasi sobrang stand out siya nung nakita ko siya. The next jacket guys na ipapakita ko looks like your usual varsity jacket sa una, pero what attracted me was when I saw the back kung saan nakalagay for the young and the young-hearted. And I'm definitely not young anymore. I am more on the young-hearted side kasi 27 na ako. Alam, nakakatuwa kasi yung statement jacket siya guys. Usually pag nag-uukay ako, yung mga nakasulat sa shirts or sa damit, walang sense, pero ito, ang cute-cute lang nung nakasulat. I don't know this brand, if it's Van or Jack, pero, ayun, cool lang niya. Hindi siya sobrang kapal, and kasing kulay niya yung Yamaha jacket ko, pero, I think this was like 50 pesos lang eh. The last item guys na ipapakita ko sa inyo today is nakita niyo na sa video ko last week if you watched it. If not, I will link it down below. But it is this super cool seafoam green jacket. Super athleisure and sporty niya guys. na-attract ako actually sa kulay niya. That's why I bought it. Seafoam green, may royal cobalt blue, may white. And it's just very sporty and sobrang uso ng ganitong style ngayon. If you haven't watched, alam nyo na crinop and sinench or ginorterize ko yung ilalim para mas crop siya tingnan. Kasi initially, sobrang laki ng jacket na to. Pero alam nyo ba guys, yung pinaka nakakatuwa sa jacket na to, aside from its color, 20 pesos ko lang siya nakuha. Believe it or not, 20 pesos ko to nabili. Kaya kahit ang laki niya that time, binili ko pa rin siya. What's cool about this is you can zip it up para medyo turtleneck yung dating niya, or you can zip it down para mas casual yung dating niya. I think this was actually parang running racetrack or PE uniform in another country kasi ang dami niyang parang ang dami nakasulat, and I don't know if this is a school or a team, pero parang ganon yung dating niya, kaya it was super cool. And come on guys, 20 pesos, wag na, wag mo nang i-pass up, kunin mo na siya. Okay guys, that is everything I bought in Baguio's night market. And mamamatay na tong camera na to, kaya magpapaalam na ako. Thank you guys so much for watching. Sana na-enjoy nyo yung video na to. And if you haven't already, please feel free to subscribe down below. I am trying to upload a video every week. Yun lang guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!